Hi guys! Today I will be talking about how to change language in Gemini. So let's find out this. Can we change language in Gemini or not? Because I think we don't need to change language in Gemini because Gemini by itself support all language if you will ask in English, or rather in Urdu, whatever language you preferred. When you will ask, then Gemini will reply in the same language. But if you still want to change the language in Gemini, then here we can't find any option. By tapping on that, we can change language in Gemini. So for this, we need to change language of our Google account because it's associated with our Google account. So in order to change the language, tap on your profile icon, which is on the right top, and tap on the option, Manage your Google account. Once you will click on it, you will get access to your Google account, where you will manage all of your thing. Now take a look. On the left side, you will see bar. Here, you will find multiple options like payment, subscription, personal info, and much more. Click on the option Personal Info, and you will get all the personal info of your account, where you will find your basic info, contact info, and much more. Now in order to change your language, scroll down and here you can find the option General Preference for the web. And this one is the language bar. Click on it. And here tap on this pencil and choose the language to which you want to change your Gemini. Once you will find that, simply click on that. Then after selecting the language, Gemini will automatically change to that specific language. And that's it.